Was a heavy shot. That's not a bad start actually. Pakistan will not mind it too much, allowing a run of the first ball, but now Roach is on strike and we know that he can hit them big.
This is what, Ramesh, it may not, this is the factor I was talking about with the field. Yep. So you see the general direction that angle will be hit. Now a long off wouldn't have stopped that anyway. But it's through the offside that I think this angle and this length will be hit. 9 required from 3. This is a good shot from Jason Holder.
Yes, and not good cricket from Pakistan. I think somebody's got to knock some sense into Wahab regarding the field, and it's got to be Misbah ul Haq because he got beaten by that drive.
To pull the length back at this stage. And he does. And that is risky because there's no one deep forward of square.
I think the more he bowls at this stage, the better he'll become. I think it'd come to know what field he needs to take inside edge, and that ball would have gone into the fence. Fine leg was up in the ring. So now 9 from 2 balls. They need 2 boundaries.
Jason Holder, take a bow. For all intents and purposes, you thought that Pakistan had it. Now it can go anywhere. Bad length, bad delivery.
Yeah, wide outside the off stump, no protection on the offside, and beautifully timed by Holder. That ball sailed and hit the wall on the full. Massive, massive 6. And tilting the balance. Dave Watmore just can't handle it anymore. He's so frustrated. About 10 people in his ear now, Wahab Riaz, and that's not going to make it simple for the bowler.
And there's no way that you can convince me, whatever happens off this last ball, that Misbah ul Haq and Wahab Riaz have had this field right to the length they're trying to execute. There's no one that can convince me of that. Totally wrong. Regardless of what happens now.
Can't even see it. Dave Watmore feels that if Pakistan loses, obviously the gestures suggest that it'll be of their own making. The field does not change. The field is still the same. 3 to win, 2 to tie. Can't bowl a no ball, can't bowl a wide, can't. It's got to be a straight ball.
It's a tie. It is a tie. Umar Akmal missed the ball. I think he would have run out Jason Holder by some distance had he gathered it. And the West Indies breathe again, thanks to Jason Holder.